Hello and welcome to my channel Rui Asian Recipes. Today I'm going to make a simple steamed pork ribs with bean paste recipe. It's very comforting, healthy, only 4 ingredients and takes less than 10 minutes to prepare. So I make this on repeat every week and enjoy it with a warm bowl of rice. Here are 400 grams of pork ribs, wash it thoroughly. Tell a butcher you want to use the pork ribs for steaming. Now I'm going to add the bean paste. Here it's labeled as Taucu. It is made with soybeans. Comes in minced form, whole bean, or can be spicy as well. Add 1 heap tablespoon of bean paste. Don't have to add any more salt as the bean paste is salty. Sprinkle some sugar to balance the saltiness of the bean paste. 6 cloves of garlic, minced. Give it a good mix. You can also add chili padi or your favorite chili oil if you like it spicy. Bring the water in the wok to a boil, then steam for 25 minutes to 45 minutes. If you like it chewy and springy, steam for 25 minutes. But if you like it soft and tender, you can steam longer for at least 45 minutes. If the water in the wok runs low, remember to add more water. Wow, it's so fragrant. Hope you enjoyed this dish. See you next time. Do subscribe for more easy, healthy recipes.